This video is going to demonstrate how total body resistance can be performed at all three levels of the OPT model. The level itself will dictate the type of movement, the difficulty of the exercise, and the tempo at which you should be performing the exercise. Stabilization level includes stabilization endurance and focuses on stability. It is progressed through different methods of proprioception, and an example of a total body exercise would be a step-up balanced overhead press. Kind of challenging on a BOSU, but that's what we've got. This exercise challenges balance and also contains a resistance component and should be performed at a 4-2-1 tempo. The step up to press will be the 1, then we'll hold the exercise for 2 seconds and count to 4 as we lower ourselves back down. At all times, the core should be engaged. We should be using the glutes, especially on the stabilization leg, and focusing on stability. The second level of the OPT model is strength, and this level includes strength endurance, hypertrophy, and max strength. These phases are progressed through volume or load, and an example of a total body exercise is a squat, curl to overhead press. The tempo is going to be determined by the desired outcomes. Strength endurance will focus on stability, so this is the 4-2-1 tempo that you see. Strength tempo will be 2-0-2, and hypertrophy will also be 2-0-2. Max strength should be performed as fast as can be controlled, recognizing that intensity will dictate the speed, so between 85 to 100% of your 1 RM. In this exercise, what we'll start out with is engaged core and glutes. The squat eccentric portion will be 4 seconds. We'll hold at the bottom for 2 and raise up overhead in 1 motion. What you're seeing now is the strength component, so 2-0-2 count. The last level of the OPT model is power, which is progressed through speed, power, or load strength. An example of a total body exercise is a 2-arm push press. The tempo for this power-based exercise is going to be as fast as can be controlled, again recognizing that intensity will dictate the speed. For this exercise, it's going to be a very short squat followed by a powerful movement upward. The main muscle group in this exercise working is actually the glutes, not the arms, and your arms should just be being propelled overhead to help hold up the weight. The references we have are the NASM Essentials of Personal Fitness Training, 4th edition, edited by Clark, Lucette, and Sutton.